Well,
Like, now it's problem solved.
remember you got the heavy end. Tell me when, because I can't see how high we are.
10, 9, 6, 5, maybe 5. Check the cap.
No, we're fine. We've got space. Are we good here?
Maybe 1 or 2.
1.
Yeah, I think it's good.
Right.
So, what are we doing now?
I don't know. Turn it. Do we want to rotate it?
Yeah. Well, is it the table?
Well, we can rotate the table. We can rotate the loco. Are you up and over? Or are you to go higher?
Yeah.
Okay, let's roll it onto.
The table it's on secure.
Yeah, the table it's going on. Yes. Okay.
Hold it. Good. Okay, just
There was going to be a question from upstairs of what was that noise? Oopsie. Breaking it. That's what we did last time.
So we probably need a wood here. So we go on this.
It's too thick.
Okay.
You're like you're filling me full of confidence, Stefan. Okay, fuck it. Right?
Yeah.
Hang on, yeah, we're not hitting the roof.
Wait, no. We go on this.
Hmm?
We go on this.
Okay. Okay, right.
Yeah. We good?
Yeah, but the problem is we're going to be too far over, I think. I think we need to roll it as far, perhaps, Steph. Put it back. I think we need to move it as far to the edge of this piece of wood.
Better.
Steph.
Yep.
I think we need to move as close to this as possible.
Okay.
Is that where you wanted it? Right. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You good?
Yeah.
Okay.
But
Another piece of wood?
yeah, I think for the cap. Okay.
Yeah. Because we only need to take a little bit off, right?
Yeah.
It
You
needs.
see? Look.
Oh, okay. We don't even need a drill.
Now you see that. Well, it's not removed. You see it's clean, and you see some part is not clean.
Yeah.
This part.
It's also not very fucking straight.
Oh yeah, it's not.
It's not fucking.
Put it on a drill, maybe a little.
Like a little tiny one like that. You want a hand drill? Just.
Yeah.
Well, there's drill presses, but you want to just have. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, can you drills always here.
Oh.
Hmm?
I don't know. Maybe.
Yeah, it seems like it's coming off if you just do it by hand.
Yeah. It's okay. Yeah.
Well, at least it might pump water now. That's exciting, Steph. That is exciting news. There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, Fred just responded.
Okay.
He fucked himself up playing pickleball again.